Hi guys, I'm glad to see everyone, and today I want to make Turkish baklava. For our Turkish baklava we need pistachio, honey, our Fillo dough, butter, sugar and water for the sugar. We're gonna cook syrup. All measurements I'm gonna leave in descriptions box down below the video. I'm gonna use my kind of like wooden spatula like that because I don't have a wood stick like this size, so this will be work fine. It's like about 8 or 10 inch long, so I'm gonna use this one. First I'm gonna take my butter and melt in my cup, and at the same time I'm gonna crush in a blender all my pistachios. I melted my butter, it's ready, 1 cup. I crushed my pistachios. 2 tablespoons I took from this all amount of the pistachios, and I'm gonna leave this just for decoration on top. So I have here open this package of my Fillo dough, and I measure it's like 12-inch by 16-inch sheets, and I'm gonna cut in a half. Gonna make like that with my brush and grease with butter all my sheet. I'm gonna take pistachio, now we're gonna take our stick or wood spatula like I have, take just 1 piece of the sheet and make the same thing with second sheet. Grease with butter. And now we're gonna squeeze from both sides to the center all our dough. I'm making like that. And now we're gonna put this in my mold. I'm gonna repeat with every sheet the same way. Spread nice even on our Fillo dough sheet. And at this point you can start preheat your oven on 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 Celsius. Like that, and now try squeeze from both sides to the center. And like that beautiful wrinkles we have. You can put this way or you can put like that. And I'm gonna continue to do the same way with every sheet till I fill out all my baking pan. They already look beautiful, and now we're gonna cut like in a half, each roll in a half all together. I used almost half cup of the butter, and now this is all half cup we're gonna put on top. And now I'm gonna put this in the oven about like 40-45 minutes, maybe between hour, depend on your oven. This is a glass dish, it's take a little longer. They have to be nice golden color, then they will be ready. So now we're gonna make syrup while our rolls is baking. I have here 1 cup of sugar. We're gonna put in our saucepan. I'm gonna add my water. It's about 1 cup. And I'm gonna add honey, about 3 tablespoons. I'm gonna add to my mixture. And now we're going to the stove. I'm gonna boil this. We have to mix this till it's all sugar and honey dissolve in our water. Boil a couple minutes and our syrup will be ready. This is our syrup. Our rolls is baked and see how they look beautiful color, light golden color. Now we're gonna put our syrup right on top to make them get all soaked pretty well. Now we have to wait when it gets completely cooled down, and they're gonna make all juicy with this syrup, and then we're gonna take and put on a plate. So guys, now you can see I put here on a plate. I put these crushed pistachios on top, and it's how they look beautiful. You can see how they look really beautiful and tasty. This is our Turkish baklava. Thank you guys for watching my video. If you like my video, you can put thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, you can subscribe. And bon appetit. See you till next time. Have a nice day and bye bye. Пока-пока.